In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vector images in WordPress using SVG all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're enhancing your site's visuals or simply taking your design skills to the next level, understanding how to incorporate SVG files is key. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to WordPress, open your preferred web browser and enter your WordPress site's URL into the address bar. Once your site's homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice a login button there. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now that you're on the login page, there are several options to sign in. For this tutorial, we're going to choose the Continue with Google option. It's a popular choice because it's convenient and secure. A window will pop up displaying your Google accounts. From here, select the Google account you want to associate with your WordPress. After successfully logging into WordPress, it's time to add your vector image. Start by navigating to the media section of your WordPress dashboard. You can either find it in the left menu or access it directly through the URL hecmedia.wordpress.com wp admin/upload.pip. This section is where you manage all your media files, including uploads, edits, and deletions. Now that you're in the media library, look for the Add New Media File button. Clicking this will allow you to upload new content to your WordPress site. Once you've clicked it, you'll be prompted with a screen boasting a tool labeled Select Files. This button opens a dialog box allowing you to explore the files on your computer. Here you will need to browse your SVG file from your computer. Vector files like SVG are particularly useful in web design due to their scalability without loss of quality. So go ahead and sift through your files until you find the SVG you wish to upload. Once you've located the correct file, click on it to select it. The final step is to upload your SVG file to WordPress. After selecting your chosen SVG, you'll see an upload progress bar appear, and once that's completed, congratulations! Your vector image is now part of your WordPress media library, ready to be inserted into any post or page you desire. And there you have it, a seamless method for incorporating SVG vector images into your WordPress site. This process enhances your site's aesthetics while ensuring crisp, clear graphics. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore more about customizing your WordPress site with additional media, and stay tuned for more guides to elevate your web presence. Thanks for watching.